With cheap gasoline prices, some people are criticizing consumers for rushing out to buy gas-guzzling pickups and SUVs. But the truck buyers are actually saving more fuel than someone switching from a compact to a hybrid. I think you'll be surprised at the math. So let's say someone with a 2004 Chevrolet Suburban decides to turn it in and buy a new one. The old Suburban was rated at 14 miles per gallon, so if the owner drove 12,000 miles a year, that means they used 857 gallons of gasoline. The new Suburban is rated at 18 miles per gallon and uses 666 gallons, a savings of 191 gallons a year. Now, let's say at the same time someone decides to trade in their 2004 Toyota Corolla for a brand new Prius. The old Corolla was rated at 31 miles per gallon, using 387 gallons of gasoline a year. The 2015 Prius is rated at 51 mpg, using 235 gallons. That saves 152 gallons a year. So looky here, going from 14 miles to gallon to 18 actually saves more fuel than going from 31 to 51. So the next time you hear someone bemoaning the fact that sales of pickups and SUVs are booming, remember that those truck buyers are saving more fuel than those jumping from compacts into hybrids.